This video comes to us out of Florida. And we're going to see here the importance of being alert and focused and expecting the unexpected, and the importance of having good emergency braking skills. So we see this sedan coming out backwards from this garage, and this SUV driver sees them from across the street and begins emergency braking long before they're directly in front of them. As you see here, that's when they hit the brakes, right there. Most people, when they drive, they only look at what's directly in front of them, the lane in front of them, the car in front of them. They're not scanning their surrounding and looking for other dangers that might be popping out of nowhere like this sedan did. So when you're driving, don't just look at what's directly in front of you or the car in front of you. Look multiple cars ahead of you and always be aware of your surroundings. Know what's happening around you as well, so that you can be like this SUV driver and emergency brake as soon as possible. Because had they waited until they were right in front of them, they might have gotten into a collision. So be alert like this SUV driver. And also, practice your emergency braking skills. Find an empty lot and practice your emergency braking skills. It could save your life one day. So if you continue the video, the sedan keeps on going over the curb, over the median, almost hits our SUV driver here, which meant they stopped just in time. If they were even a foot ahead, they probably would have gotten into a collision with this driver. And if we continue the video, they actually end up on top of two parked cars. So let's roll it forward a little bit. Driver's making the left turn. You see this car right here, parked on top of two cars. That's going to be a story to tell to insurance. So whenever you're driving, always keep your wits about you. Expect the unexpected. Scan your surroundings. Don't only look at what's directly in front of you. Look at what's around you as well. What's behind you, to your sides, everything that's going on, because it can affect you. And practice your emergency braking skills. Let's all be safer, more responsible drivers.